Hello friends. I hope so you are good by the grace of God. Many of you have a question about how to remove the background of any image without any software. And in this video I am going to show you how to remove the background of any image in just 2 to 3 seconds. It's very simple. Just drag your image and drop, and the background will be removed. I hope you will thank me after watching this video. Many of you will use Adobe Photoshop and know that this task is very difficult because you have to use different tools and work finely, which is a waste of time. But in today's video, we will do the same task in just 2 to 3 seconds and will not use any tool. Let's start. First of all, you need an internet connection, and then you have to install any internet browser in your computer. Like I have Google Chrome. So I opened Google Chrome. And here you have to type inside the search box remove.bg. This is when the site will open. You have to go inside your computer. And from here, find the picture you want to remove in the background. Select your picture and drag and drop it inside the website that you have opened in your browser. And within 2 to 3 seconds the background of your picture is removed. So you can see how well the background of our picture has been removed. And from here you can download it by clicking on this download button. And you can use it wherever you want. I hope you like it a lot. If you like it, tap on like button and share it with your friends so that more people can benefit from this video. Please subscribe to our channel so that we can keep it up with more videos like this for you.